In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Claude AI account step by step, whether you signed up with your email and password or used Google to create your account. This is a very quick process, but if you're new to Claude or you're just having trouble getting back into your account, this guide will help you do it the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to claude.ai login. This is the official login page for Claude AI, so make sure you are on the correct website before entering any details. Once the page loads, you will see the sign-in options. If you created your Claude account using your email and password, enter your email address in the first field and then type your password in the password field. After that, click the login button to access your account. If you signed up using your Google account instead, you can simply click Continue with Google. This is a convenient option because it connects you directly to the Google account that was used when you first created the Claude account. After clicking Continue with Google, a window will appear asking you to choose the Google account you want to use. Select the correct account from the list and Claude will verify it automatically. In just a moment, you will be logged in and taken into your Claude AI dashboard. From there, you can start chatting, asking questions, or using Claude for your daily tasks. If you do not see the account you expected, double check that you are using the same Google profile or the same email address that you used when you signed up. If the password isn't working, you may need to use the Forgot Password option to reset it before trying again. Once you're inside, you're all set. You've successfully logged into your Claude AI account. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.